Today I also come and today I clear you some doubts. Today our topic is please wait. And join, you join, I write the name of the topics, then we will start the classes. Perimeter, area and volume is our today's chapter's name. Perimeter, area and volume. Please join with me. Who joined, please write the name in the chat box. Who joined the class, please write the name in the chat box. Achha. Look, first what I am doing, first I draw a rectangle. First I draw a rectangle. The long length is called length. Length. And short one is called breadth. ठीक है? It is a rectangular shape. Rectangular shape means the two side length is big and the breadth is small. Okay, it is a basic conception. Now today first we write the perimeter. What is the formula of perimeter? Perimeter means 2 into L plus B. First here 2 into L plus B. Why it is 2 into L plus B? First I tell. What is the perimeter? Perimeter is the boundary lines. Suppose you start journey walking from this point. You go this one down, then go and then up. And you finish the same point. Look here, in that case there's one length you cover and another length you cover. Two length you cover. And that is one breadth you cover and here one breadth is covered. Means two breadth is covered. So if I break this one, it is 2L plus 2B. Perimeter means the boundary line. Okay. So for that reason, in that cases, in the higher classes, you know, you can take the commons. Commons means which is the same number, both of that. So I am not breaking this one. I show this one how it is coming. Now start the math. Every formula I give, then I give one or two maths. After that I go mix the maths. First one. Find out find out the perimeter of a rectangle whose length is 25 centimeter and breadth is 20 centimeter. First copy the math from the book, then we will start. Please, all my students who join in the class, please complete all the maths and then please send me. First, we write the formula. 2 into L plus B. So, 2. First, I write the formula 2 L plus B. Now, you find the value. What is the L? L means big one. Here, the L value is 25 centimeter. So, I write only 25. Then, plus B. B means 20. So, I write the B value. Then, question is it centimeter come? What is the unit? Is it centimeter come or centimeter square come? No, only centimeter come because it is the unit of the length. Perimeter means unit of the length. No multiplication. So only centimeter come. So I write centimeter. It's come 2 into 45 centimeter means 90 centimeter. Please complete the math. Please complete the math. I just put the value for the into L plus B. Please complete the math. Then I will go to the next one. One by one, I give the math little bit harder. Okay? Next maths. Next math. Number 2. In a rectangular part, breadth is 15 centimeter. Length is twice of breadth. Find out the perimeter. Find out the perimeter and area. Now, I first tell what is the keywords of my maths. ये maths का keywords क्या है? Twice of breadth. देखो, ये चेक कीजिए. क्या है? I'm not telling any values of the length. I tell only the values of the breadth. But one more keywords I give. This is the twice of the breadth. Twice of the breadth का meaning क्या है? Breadth का जो length है, उसका double length होगा. Clear? So first, what is the procedure of the math? First, what you have, you write one side. So you can write in this way, breadth. 15 centimeter. It is given in the maths. So I write this one. Then length. 2 into breadth. Why? Because twice of breadth. It is given. It is one of the conditions. So I write this one. 2 into 15. I think it is 30 centimeter. Is it clear? Listen my students. Listen my students. जब मैथ करना है थोड़ा ध्यान दीजिए. Because all they are not given in the maths. First you find out the length. Then you go to the formula. If you skip this one, you are finding where is the length and where is the length and there is no value. So please read the question 2 times. Okay. Now I come to the formula, perimeter formula. Perimeter 2 into L plus B. Now I give 1 minute times. You please put the values, write the answer and write in the answer in the chat box. Who give the proper answer? I shout the name. Please do it. Into. Please complete the answer and do it. $90 centimeter. Oh, complete it. Advait and Yashin is very good. I shout the name. And also Adya, please give a big clap. Now find the area. What is the formula of area? First I put the formula. Area. In the rectangle, what is the formula? Formula is length into breadth. What is the value of length? It is 13 and breadth is 15. So I give a tricks. Not to multiply it normally. How can you do this one? Only multiply, I give the centimeter square. Centimeter square. Then, why centimeter square? First I complete this one. 15 into 30. So first what you are doing? Only 15 into 3 you do. It is 4, 5. And you give 1, 0. And question is why centimeter square coming? Area means what is the inside part. It is called the area. So here you multiply 1 centimeter means length centimeter and breadth centimeter. So centimeter into centimeter is square is for centimeter square. And one more thing for the all students, if it is meter then you write meter square. Don't write centimeter. And last most important thing, sometimes what's happen? I give a maths. Sometimes what's happen? I give a math. Sometimes length is 15 meter. Breadth is 20 centimeter. Most of the time what's happened? Kids read the question one time. They do not focus, the unit are different. So all time you please change the unit in the smaller unit. Here there is 20 centimeter and there is 15 meter. So you converted it. 15 into 100 means 1.00 centimeter. So okay. So what I am telling? Three more main things. Number one, read the questions 2-3 times. Number 3, if there is 2 unit, always converted the small unit. And then question why it is not big unit used, because in the big unit if you transfer it is also okay, but at that time decimal come. So I request everybody change into the small unit. And number 3, if it is area, always square डालना भूल नहीं जाना. And if it is perimeter, then only centimeter. Okay? But if it is meter, it's okay. No square. Complete. If there is any doubt, please complete it. Write in the chat box. Now I do a square. It is 10 centimeter. First I tell what is the difference between square and rectangle. It is a basic thing where I tell it one more time. Square, all the sides are equal and the angles are mass 90 degree. Means this angle 90 degree. So in that cases perimeter means you start from here, go down and this one. Why I tell this one, why I show it this one? Because students learn only the perimeter formula and learn only the area formula, but they are not know what is perimeter and what is the area, what is the difference. Because you join in my class, so it's my duty to teach you difference between perimeter and area. Now I write the formula. Perimeter. Look better. You start from one side cover, 2 side cover, 3 side cover, 4 side cover. How many times you go? You go 4 times. So I write 4. Then all the sides are equal, so I write side. Okay? Next, area. Area means side into side. Side into side. First I give a easy maths. And after that I give little bit hard. Find the perimeter and area of a square paper whose one side is meter. Complete it. First you complete. Please complete it. First, I give you 1 minute time. You write the answer in the chat box. I start, you check your answer. And please, I tell all my students, please do all the maths and you please submit it. First time, put the perimeter formula. Perimeter, P. 4 into 15 means 60 meter. Perimeter is 60 meter. And then area. Area means side into side. Means 15 into 15 meter. Okay? Complete it. I know the values, but for you, I show it. 225 meters square. 225 meters square. I check the answer. No. 10 for that picture. Okay? But my mass is this one. So don't confuse it. मैं picture के draw करने के time I give the values. It is 10 centimeter. But our mass is this one. Number 3 from this side your mass started. So please you put the value 15 and complete the maths. I read the questions. Now, can you see the board? Find the perimeter and area of a square paper whose one side is 15 meter. हमारा जो स्क्वायर है उसका 15 है. चलो मैं इधर ही चेंज कर देती हूँ. Now please complete the maths. Very good. Yes, it is right. Who is the answer? Who give the answer? A big clap for Yashin. Everybody please clap. Very good, my dear. Now I give a little bit hard math. I give it little bit hard maths. There is a rectangle. it is 20 meters and it is 30 meters and 20 meters. Inside there is a small rectangle. It is 15 meter and 10 meter. Question is, what is the area of that shaded part? Shaded part का area क्या है? Okay, I write the question. A big rectangle park length is 30 meters and breadth is 20 meters. Inside small rectangle length is 15 meter and breadth is 10 meter. Find the shaded part area. Find the shade part area. First I tell why I use two colors, because one is big rectangle size, so I write it black color. Next, inside is small rectangle, this is blue in color. And question is find the shaded part. ये जो shade part है is a shade part this shade part. How can you find out? You do not know, then question is how can you find out? I give a clue. अगर आपका ऐसा मैथ आएगा, एक बड़ा रेक्टेंगल अंदर में एक छोटा रेक्टेंगल, आपको एरिया शेडेड पार्ट में जिधर रेक्टेंगल नहीं है वो पार्ट का एरिया, तो हाउ कैन यू डू? यू जस्ट डू टू स्टेप. One step is find out the area of big rectangle and small rectangle. This is the first step. And second step is you just subtract it. Then you find the area of the shaded part. Clear? I'll give a star marks in the math. It is most important math up to board. Very good. Now you understand. I one more time tell. You follow two steps. Number one step, you find out the area of big rectangle and small rectangle. This is the first step. And second step is you subtract the area. Then you can get the shaded part area. Now one by one, I do the step. If you understand, you can do it alone. Then you check it from the board. Okay? big part area. What is the length? 30 and it is 20 meters square. 600 meters square. Okay? Small part area 50 into 10 meters square. 150 meters square. Our first step already complete. We find out the area of the both. Now I give to the second step. What is our second step? Shaded part area. But I am telling you subtract the big one to small one. So our is 600 minus 150. You should write the same unit. It is meter square means 450 meters square. Okay? Shaded part also the area. So you should carry the same unit, meter square. The first step, what is our first step? Area. First step, area find. Second step क्या है? Subtract. Subtract both area. Clear? I write the step also so that if it is coming in the exam, you just follow this one. Adya and Yashin, very good. Well done, my dear. A big clap for you. Area formula, length into breadth. L into B, not V. V stands for volume. Okay? Now it is, okay, good. Now I go to the next maths. there is a rectangle. And the corner, there is another rectangle. Okay, another small rectangle. Find out the shaded part of the area. Now, what is the condition I give? Second one, you check it. Number. The rectangular part sides are 70 centimeter and 40 centimeter. Check, I'm not writing here length and breadth. I just use this language. Sides are. Okay. Next one. Small, what is the condition of the small part? Inside this one, the small part, what is the condition? I write this one. Small parts, length is half of the bigger one. Last question. Find the area of the shaded part. Here, what I am telling in the previous math, if in that shaded parts coming, then what is the procedure? First, find out the area of the two. And second one is minus the two area. Then questions is, we follow the conditions. First one, you can find out the area of the big rectangle. First you find out this one. You please complete the math. Then we will check the board. Area of big part. बिग पार्ट का क्या है? 70 and 40. 70 into 40. What I am telling? Not multiply 0 by big, just multiply the digit. 2800 centimeter square. Now come to the second one. It is the key. Small part length is half of the bigger one. Okay? One by one you follow the step, not to do hurry-burry. You read this side, smaller part length. First you find out the length. Smaller part length. Half of big one. So what is the bigger one length? It is 17. So I write half into 70, it is centimeter, means 35. Now come to the second question. I know the length 35 centimeter, but you know the breadth of the rectangle? No, because there is no data. But I give a clue. What I am giving? It is 40 centimeter, means this side also 40 centimeter. So I write this one 40 centimeter. Okay, because we know that rectangles opposite sides are equal and parallel. So if it is 40 centimeter, this is also 40. Then where is the twist? Look this part. Here I started from here and here I mark 15 centimeter, but I do not know this part. A part का value हमको पता नहीं, but I know the full one is 40 because this one is 40 and top one is 15. Then what is this part? This part is 40 minus 15. It is 25 centimeter. Means 40 minus 15, it is 25 centimeter. बेटा पूरा मैथ्स में आपको छोटा वाला रेक्टेंगल का कुछ वैल्यूज नहीं दिया. They give two clues. One clue is given in the question. What is this one? The length is half of the bigger one. It is in the question. And the second clue is given in the picture. Picture में second clue दिया है. Oh, pura this one they giving 40 and the upper topmost was given 15. Then you find out the middle one. Middle one 40 minus 15 equal to 25. Now it is easy for you to find out the area. So I write the area. Area of small part. (35 into 25 meter centimeter square). 35 into 25, you multiply. (875 meter square). Okay, one is 2800 meter centimeter square, and this is also now. What is the shaded part? What is the second step? Just subtract the two area. Shaded part area. (2800 875 minus 1925 centimeter square. This is centimeter square and this is also centimeter square. If anybody have any doubt, please tell me. I repeat it one more time. Advait, you please complete the math. First one you write, okay? And Adya, your math is very good. You complete the math. Final answer is 1925. Advait, you please complete the second step and these two steps you please complete. A big clap for Advait and Adya also. Complete the math, then I will go to the next one. What I am telling, my first mass, when they are given two rectangles and find out the shaded part, you first find out the big one area. First one I find out the big one area. And then you find out the small rectangle area. I find out this one. It is 875. Okay? Then what is the second step? You just subtract these two area. Okay? Now I find out the perimeter of a triangle. 5 centimeter, 8 centimeter, 15 centimeter. Perimeter of a triangle means you start from here, go down and end point is the starting point. You just add the three sides. You do this one, I am not doing. You complete and write the answer. Perimeter you complete. You complete and write the answer. Okay? Now it is a quiz time. I give two options. You please complete it and who write the name, I shout that name. Next, another triangle. 6.5, 2.5, 15. Find out the result. 36, 250, 188. Find out the answer. Complete it. Who please complete? Write the answer. Then I check it. First one is Yashin right, 28. Or second one is 474 is the answer. Now I go to the area of the triangle. In the triangle, if there is any straight line you draw from the next opposite base, it is called the height. So in the triangle, (12 meter) 8 meter. Okay. What is the formula of the area of the triangle? Area of triangle. First I give a easy math. Formula is half base into height. Put the value. Half. Base is 12. Height is 8. Make up this one centimeter square because it is an area, and make it for 48 centimeter square. I just put the value. It is the formula of the triangle. Half base into height. So I put the value. It is 48 centimeter. First complete it, clear it, then I go to the next math and I give it a little bit twist. Now I do a maths. Now I give the conditions. In isosceles triangle, the equal sides are equal side is 18 centimeter. Base, I am not giving any base value. The base is the conditions. Base is the sum of two equal sides. Base is the sum of two equal sides. Two equal sides. Height is 15 centimeter. Area. Okay. First I write what I know. Height. Height 15 centimeter. Next, base. Read the question. Base is the sum of. Base is the sum of two equal sides. What's the equal side? Equal size is 18. So sum of means 18 plus 18. Sum is addition. So it is 36. 36 by 2. It is also 18. I changed it a little bit. This is the sum of means 36. It is 36 centimeter. Now area put. Half into base into height. Half into 36 into 15 means 18. So 18 into 5 centimeters square. You find out calculation. 18 into 15. 270 centimeters square. And last one, next one is the last one, mass. It is the volume. In general, where we find out the volume? In the 3D shape, we can find out the volume. Today I teach only one shape volume because I will come the next. At that time I teach you other volume. Only I teach these 3D shapes. It is a 3D shape cuboid. Length is 12, breadth is 10, and height. Length, this is length, this is breadth, and this one is height. And height is 7. Okay? Volume you can find only 3D shape. Always remember it. Okay? 2D shape, no volume. It is 3D shape. So, volume. Length into breadth into height. Okay? Length is, I do it by centimeter, centimeter and centimeter. Means 12 centimeter. Otherwise, you write 12 into 8 into 10 into 7 centimeter cube. Why it is cube? It is 3 centimeter is coming, so it is cube. Now you multiply. 840 centimeter cube. Okay? It is our last mass. And listen one thing. When area, first when perimeter, only centimeter. Perimeter, centimeter. Next, area, centimeter square. Then volume, centimeter cube. Accordingly, unit increases. First one, only 1 unit. Second one, double centimeter coming, so square unit. And area, 3 centimeter coming, so it is centimeter cube. If you like my videos, please subscribe my channel. And for the online and offline classes, contact this number 9930400683. For online and offline classes, you can contact in this number. And thanks everybody who join in my classes, and thanks all of my students who join. Please complete the mass and send in my WhatsApp number. Thank you. Bye.